Lloro, 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 ya lloro, 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 ya lloro.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Steph Jessie. I hope you had a great Christmas, a safe Christmas. I hope your family's doing great during this pandemic. I know it's kind of hard shopping or enjoying Christmas, but I hope everything is well with you during this unprecedented time, okay? But today, I'm going to show you guys my new phone, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And I'm going to show you how I unbox it and what it comes with in the box. This one right here. This iPhone 12 is different. I like how it has the little blue. Blue is my favorite color. So it comes in this black box. If you see my fingerprints on this, I'm sorry. I had to indulge. I had to see what I was purchasing. Like, okay. So, like I said, the phone is on the front of the box. And when you turn it back, it tells you everything about the phone. It is the iPhone Pro Max. This is actually in the blue, Pacific Blue. This was 256 gigabytes. Gigabytes, right? 256 gigabytes. So I got that because I know I record, I take a lot of pictures. So why not? Why not get 256 gigabytes? I don't understand. And I also bought this from Apple, directly from Apple. I got this not with the company. So I bought it straight out. Let's open. Open. So what's inside? And this is what comes in the box, the phone itself. Then the charger. And like the manual and the little pin for you to actually take your SIM card in and out. That's in here as well. So if you need this, save it. If not, throw it in the garbage. And there's something that's actually missing in this box that everybody would say, oh, like, where is the port? Anyways, people would say, what's missing in this box, this port? There is none of this anymore. Apple basically took this out. They said if you have it, you have it. If not, you're gonna have to purchase it now. It doesn't come with the phone. So this is my own that I had with my old phone. It doesn't come in the phone, in the box. The only thing that comes in the box really is the phone and a USB-C. It's not a USB regular cord, it's a USB-C. So it doesn't actually, unfortunately, this doesn't go in here. It doesn't fit. Do you guys see this? It doesn't fit. So how am I really supposed to use this? How can I use this? I can't use this. So if you have a MacBook, this is compatible for your MacBook, but it's not compatible for the port. So that's one thing if you want to keep in mind. If you still do use this port, get the regular USB. It still is able to fit into the actual phone, the phone jack, the headphone jack. But if you want to use this, this is only compatible for another port. So you'd have to buy another port anyway. Unfortunately, they want you to spend money. Apple always wants people to spend money, of course. So that's what's in the box. The phone itself, this is how it looks. It comes with this now, this white paper, and it tells you on the actual phone, the up and down volume buttons. And if you want to silence your phone, your notification button, and then your power button. It says that on the actual white paper. This is the color that I got, Pacific Blue. I'm gonna take this off because you already know how I already look. Because I even tried to like to get my phone working, but I had to make this for you guys. I had to make it for you guys. So when you do unlock the phone, you see my ring light. It's gonna look like this for you to actually set up your phone. I like it a lot. It's very thick though. So like that's a difference between this and my iPhone XS Max. This is a little bigger, just a little bit, maybe like a centimeter bigger. But other than that, those are the two things that are different to me as like the size wise. And like, I feel as though this is a little bit heavier. But the camera, pictures is about to be fire. but I like how there's 3 cameras, so I'm not asking anyone who has the latest phone to take my picture. I can take my own pictures and I don't have to send it to anybody. Nobody has to send it to me. I have it myself. So I'm actually excited. I wish I can show you guys everything. I wish I already set it up so I can show you guys everything else, but that's for a review. So the setup portion is the regular. If you have your phone, all you have to do is just have it near each other, Wi-Fi, and everything could just get transferred in. So I like that a lot about Apple. They make it very easy. So when you do get your phone, you do not have to go into the store. Nice and easy. But this phone color is my favorite color. If anyone knows, I love blue. So I'm happy that they came out with this color blue. My case, let me actually get my case for me to show you guys. I bought a case from Amazon because I'm not paying $50. This was $16 from Amazon. It's the box. Poetic. And in the box comes with a screen protector, and then also it comes with the case with another screen protector. So say for instance you do not want the one that has the actual like holes at the top, you can use a regular one. So those are the difference between the 2 screen protectors, but both of them come with your purchase. So you're paying $16 for basically 2 cases in a way, instead of paying $40 for 1 case that will break on you or your phone will break. I've used this company for the last 2 phones that I've had. It's amazing. Great investment. I've had it for the entire time. The only thing that I would say that broke was like where you're supposed to actually charge your phone, because you have to keep opening and closing, opening and closing. That's basically the only thing that broke. But everything else stayed the same. It's very durable. It's tough. So that's a great investment. But this one is like actual like screen protector type of thing. So it's just protecting the screen. So if you want something that you can actually use your finger on, cool. This has the actual glass in it. So that's my unboxing. Picture's about to be amazing. This iPhone 12 Pro Max Pacific Blue. I hope everything is good with you guys, and you guys will actually see me again in the same shirt, Protect Black Women, again in my next video, because I'm going to show you guys what I got for Christmas. So thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.
Lloro,